ऐसा लगा कि इनके घर का कोई मेंबर था जो पिछले 12 साल से हॉस्पिटल में था। तो ये कमाल है इस लड़की नेहा का। ये नेहा 12 साल बाद हॉस्पिटल से आई है जहां वो कोमा में पड़ी थी। किसी को भी नहीं लगा था कि ये जिंदा बचेगी, लेकिन जब से ये लौट कर आई है तब से उसने परिवार पे ऐसा जादू चलाया है। अब वो जादू उसने कैसे चलाया, क्या करती है वो नेहा, ये तो राजन शाही बता सकते हैं जिन्होंने ये शो प्रोड्यूस किया। लेकिन इससे पहले मैं राजन के हाथ में माइक दूं, मैं आपको इस शोज के कुछ प्रोमोस दिखाना चाहता हूं। प्रोमोस प्लीज। जितनों को भी आज तक ये प्रोमो दिखाया है, कोई भी मुस्कुराए बिना नहीं रहा। कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो है जो इस नेहा में है। और सोनी में हमेशा ऐसी कोशिश रहती है हमारी कि हम ऐसे किरदार बनाएं जो लोगों के दिलों को छू जाएं। तो कैसे बन गया नेहा का किरदार?
In fact, I won't say much because I think rather you guys watch the episodes. This is the second show we are doing with Sony, and the first one was Kuch To Log Kahenge. And I'm very happy and proud that we can touch some subjects. I remember the first meeting around 4 months back. Ajay was there and Viru was there, and they said, "There's any show or thought in your mind?" So I said, "Ek show, ek concept hai. Bhavna has written the concept. I think she's here also." I said, "Ye kya koi channel banayega nahi? And I don't want to, put my efforts to make this because channels will never understand this kind of a concept because neither is it very dramatic, neither is it very, very, it's not superficial. There's a lot of depth and it's a tricky show. It's not a very easy show to make, produce or present or for a channel to make. But just, I think 2 minutes meeting with Viru and everybody, and they said, and a very good team has come together for this show. A very nice team. All our writers, our creatives, our writers are here. For story, Anantika is there, Trishan, Ghazala ji. A very good team, creative. Our director, Rumesh, has set up the show very well. And the music is, I think, one of the soul of the shows. Mohit, Sailesh and his entire team have done a brilliant job with the music. So I'm really enjoying producing this show. Ye ek aisa show hai, the entire team knows that I look forward to reading the episodes. I look forward to coming on the sets, watching the shoot. I go back home, watch the episodes. I cry when I see the episodes. I laugh at the same minute. So इतना beautiful एक texture show का create हुआ है that in a second you will laugh also, you will smile also. और पूरी team का emphasis, especially मेरी team का emphasis बहुत अरसे के बाद हुआ है performances पे, moments पे. And I think like I directed Jassi around, say, I think 8-9 years back, and Ramesh was there. After that, I wasn't getting a feeling that we're working on a different character, the moments, the unpredictability is so beautiful. कि today in TV you know कि यार next episode में यही freeze point होने वाला, ये character ऐसे behave करेगा. And that goes to the entire creative team there, that they have worked very hard on these characters, and the entire actors here, everybody has worked very hard, given beautiful performances, and I really look forward to watching Neha Panthi. That's a new phrase which is coined with this show. And if you understand Neha Panthi, then I should just leave the mic here and just take my car and go for a holiday. It's a philosophy which is so beautiful, and I would rather you watch the show.
I would like to request Mr. God.
को डायरेक्ट करना बहुत मुश्किल है because जो वो 10-15 पैंतरे हमने सीखे हैं with the last 8-9 years, you have to undo everything. You have to be a child in your heart and direct this show. A big credit goes to Rumesh Kalra for that, and I would like him to come on stage on behalf of our entire creative and writing team and music team. But Rumesh, I would like to be on stage.
किसी के पास कोई सवाल है? तो फिर खाना खाएं?
Hi, what's your name?
Letty, from DNA and Bollywood.
Hi, Letty, and welcome, and thank you so much for coming for this press conference. इतनी सी खुशी as मेरे जो प्रोड्यूसर हैं मिस्टर राजन शाही, उन्होंने कहा है कि हम सबके दिल में बच्चा है, और ये हमारी टैगलाइन है, जिसके दिल में बच्चा है वही सच्चा है. हम सब जो यहाँ पे बैठे हैं सबके दिल में बच्चा है. So all I had to do is just go back when I was 14, 12, 13 and get back all the memories, and it's a very very interesting role. And role नहीं, ये बहुत ही interesting story है. जैसे इतनी सी खुशी की बात करते हैं, जैसे मुझे अभी पता चला कि बाहर छोले भटूरे मिले हैं, अभी आप लोग बाहर जाएंगे लंच खाएंगे, तो मैं एकदम खुश हो गई. और ये इतनी सी खुशियों के बारे में हम इस शो के में बात करते हैं. एंड जो लाइफ होती है हम पूरी अपनी लाइफ गुजार देते हैं एक्सप्लेन करने में, बट नेहा जो है और इस शो का जो मोटो है दैट यू नो लाइफ शुड नॉट बी लिव्ड एज अ explanation but as an exclamation. So इतनी सी खुशी is that, and it was not very difficult for me because मुझे लगता है कि मुझ में भी कहीं नेहा है, तो बस जो दिल में आया वो किया, दिमाग से नहीं, दिल से. हम सब में नेहा है. Exactly.
हेलो सर, आलोक है फ्रॉम जी न्यूज़. सर सवाल आपसे ही राजेश सर, कितना अलग बाकी सास बहू ड्रामा से ये शो होगा? कहीं ना कहीं शादी का एक फ्लेवर तो दिख रहा है, धीरे धीरे लव स्टोरी तो दिख रही है हमें, आगे जाके कहीं ना कहीं वो तब्दील होगी, लेकिन सास बहू ड्रामा से थोड़ा सा अलग शो है, तो आप उसको मिस कर रहे हैं?
मिस कर रहा हूँ नहीं, आई लव सास बहू. मैं मतलब मेरी कंपनी शुरुआत ही और चल रही है ऑल दिस फैमिली ड्रामा से. Every press conference, I think everybody, when I say the show is very different, and here also I'll say because it is different, but yes, it is not something so different कि खाली 10 लोग बैठ के बोले हाँ बहुत कमाल शो है, but it doesn't connect to everybody in India. Philosophy show की ऐसी, characters are very real, they are people around you, but the way the script is presented, the way it's acted out and everything, it is different. I mean, that's what I felt at the last 10 years, whatever I've done, this show is different.
Made specially for a child, you know. So
TV shows are reflections of real life, and you never ask कि हर घर में बच्चा क्यों होता है?
No, I don't mean that.
तो हर घर में बच्चा होता है.
If you see that every child there is like a huge family and kaka kaki, papa mummy, dada dadi, par dadi, and there is a child also now. 2-3 children also. Correct. The story revolves around. So children are like an integral part of every show these days. Every show has at least 2 to 3 children, kids working. So what is the fascination with kids? Do they also bring ratings? Do they also...
No, it's not about rating. That's precisely I wanted to say. We are fascinated with children when they are in our family, in our houses. So when we are making family dramas on television, why exclude children from it? Children are integral part of everybody's life. Real life and television life. So children are there, not for the ratings.
Children will also watch the show, that means.
Could be.
Should be. No, the idea is that when you watch this show, there is, see, show ki certain philosophy hai. Like there's a child in everybody, and it's not about her playing just a child. There's a child in every character. In fact, you see Vidyaji's character, everybody has a child. Even if it is that strict grandmother, she has a child within. That we are exploring in this whole entire show, whatever, that the idea, as you grow older, you start acting or behaving as if you become wiser. Aare iske samne ye mat bolo, politically correct ho. The show talks about the philosophy that you can say what you have in your heart. And that childlike innocence, I think, is something which we all appreciate, but somewhere we forget in life. We start becoming correct and doing the right things in life. And that is what the show doesn't, through just one character, talk about being a child. It talks in the entire philosophy of the show, in every character, I feel.
Hello? Thanks.